In this video, I will share how this smart lady made $98,479 selling a PDF in a crowded place. That's it. That's what she did. And she generates buyers list to her mailing list for free and builds her YouTube channel completely automatically full of buyers and customers. And you can do it too. No matter where you are from, what your age is, and what experience you have, even if you have zero experience of making money online. Sounds good? But this comes with a little bit of limitation. I'm gonna expose that limitation, break it down, and solve that problem too so you can make it no matter where you're from, no matter who you are. And I will also show you how we do exact same thing with our software Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is free for you. It's an artificial intelligence software, but we do it using YouTube video, and you can do it too. By the way, did you see text is generated in the background as I'm speaking? This is an automatic transcription software. This is how we generate written content without ever typing. That is also free. Link is in the description. Go grab. Another beauty of this system is you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, and cryptocurrency anyhow you want. Sounds good? Let's begin. Before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way in next 10 years. And we can no way do it without your help. All we need from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, Skype contacts, Telegram contacts, WhatsApp contacts, everyone. Share with everyone you think who wants to learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. Sounds good? Go ahead, like and share. So this lady put her PDF report on her Etsy store and made 18,758 sales. The price of the PDF report is $5.25, and she made a total of $98,479 approximately. Sounds good? That's not all. She also put her YouTube channel link in the post, so she's getting a lot of people visiting her YouTube channel. So YouTube algorithm finds similar people or similar audience, basically customers, and those customers will eventually find her on Etsy and buy from her. So she also put her website link in the bio, so a lot of people visiting her website, they are also customers. And on her website, she offers freebies that you have to use your PayPal email to grab. So she's building list of customers through freebies. All good? Awesome. Now how can you do it? Problem number one, Etsy is not open for everyone. Etsy is open for only US people. So if you are living in the US, you can do it starting today. Go start. If you are living in the US and outside, then I have another solution for you. And this is exactly what we do. And look at this. What we do is very simple. We make simple videos, 1-minute videos using our software Epic. Link is in the description. It's free for my YouTube viewers. Go grab. When we use Epic, we don't need to use camera or microphone. Epic allows us to make videos using links, images, and text. Just copy and paste and the job is done. Epic adds natural voiceover using text-to-voice feature. And Epic uses artificial intelligence to write the script for us. So basically, all our video-related problems are solved using Epic, and we make videos using 3 minutes of our times. This is the result of promoting a website hosting offer. I'll put the link to the offer in the description. Basically, we offer hosting server for a one-time price, which is amazing, so a lot of people love it. And every visitor that goes from our videos to this offer page pay us $5.77 on the average. So only on this offer, from 4,438 visitors, we made $25,000. Now I searched with website hosting on my mobile and I went to the shorts section. The first video got 240,000 views. The second video got 18,000 views. The third video, 76,000 views. Fourth one, 1,500, and so on and so forth. How are brand new shorts getting so many views? Because YouTube Shorts is a new feature for YouTube, and YouTube is promoting it really hard to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. That's exactly what we do. Make short videos using Epic, and we ask our visitors to find the biggest solution link in the description and in the first comment. So Epic is free for you. Link is in the description. Using Epic, you can make videos about topics that people are looking for and publish those videos on YouTube and get free traffic, free buyers, customers from YouTube. Send them to any offer you want and make money. This system works no matter where you are. These are the sales results of my affiliates, hundreds of them. They're using the same method, going to a crowded place, answering people's questions, and asking them to click the link. Look at the results of 2 affiliates here. One of them is making $5.82 every visitor he sends to his affiliate link, and another affiliate is making $6.06 for every visitor he sends to his affiliate link, making them all these affiliate commissions for free. All you need to do is to grab Epic from the link in the description, start making simple videos using Epic's artificial intelligence, upload the videos, get free buyers, customers from YouTube, and make money. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I'll show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. This way you help them learn how to make money online. They will love you more for sharing this. They will follow you and eventually they will buy from you. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.